Dear students, so mathematics is depends on one of the concept is there, that is known to unknown, or like a simple to difficult. Already previous class we have discussed standard results 1 and 2, standard integrations. So what about standard formulas? Okay, fine. What about use of the standard formulas? So that is very important concept, but it is useful to entrances. Like what about in entrance point of view, you can ask what about application orientation type of problems. So like thinking nature problems, some logical problems. For example, already you know that formulas. What about use of the formulas? So those formulas can be application is important. Applying is very important. What about one of the problem? Already one of the exercise 6th AM. So one of the first bit evaluate the following integration. Evaluate the following integration. Following integrations. Okay. What about problem first one integral of x cube minus 2x square plus 3 of dx. So it is one of the problem. What about process? One of the process you can observe at integral of f of x plus or minus g of x of dx. Okay. How many terms are there? We have 2 terms are given that. So we can applying individual terms. Okay na? Integral of first term. Same sign you can applying. What about sign? Either plus or minus. Then next applying second one. Integral of second function. It is one of the process. Next go to one more. What about k f of x plus or minus L g of x of dx. What about k and L are scalars, like coefficients of the functions f of x and g of x. Only we can applying the integration for the function only. At the function, what about k? You can write down in front of the integration. Okay. Plus same sign, keep it either plus or minus, same sign. What about L? L is the coefficient in front of the integral notation. It is one of the theory part like it. Okay, but we can enter that problem, prevail to back. How many terms are given that? We have 3 terms are given that. What about first one? Integral of x cube minus, same sign you can write down. What about 2 is the coefficient in front of the integral, write down. Integral of x square dx plus 3 is the constant. You can write down, always remember 3 into 1 write down. 3 integral of 1 dx. Okay. It is nothing but by using one of the part is there, point. What about next? Then we can enter the list of standard integrations. We can applying what about suitable formula. We can search. What about first term? It is in the form of x power n formation is there. What about its related formula is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, fine. In place of n is equal to 3 given that, you can write down 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. Okay, fine. Minus 2 into, what about result x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 3. What about integral of 1 dx? Integral of 1 dx is x only. What about, you know that according to derivatives, so derivative of x is 1, but integral of 1 is x. What about integral of 1 dx result x plus c? You can observe that given problem is belongs to algebraic function. How many terms are there? We have 3 terms are there, but you can applying the integration at the function only. You can applying the at the function. What about coefficients like 2 and 3? They can write down in front of the integral notation. After what about after obtain the result having which type of formula, which type of, you can search what about list of the integrations, list of the integrations. Okay, its related formula is nothing but integral of x power n. In place of n is equal to 3 is there, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1, right? Second term also same formation is there by using same. In place of n is equal to 2 write down. Okay, what about integral of 1 dx is nothing but x only. Already know that according to differentiation, derivative of x is nothing but 1. Derivative of x is 1, but integral of 1 dx is nothing but x. So it is one of the result, one of the result. So it is but by using standard formulas 1 only, standard results 1 only. Okay, next go to one more problem. You can search. Next, it's related problem. Go to integral of x square plus 3x minus 1 by 2x right, by 2x dx. Okay, question number 4 in academy textbook. Okay. What about next one? We have the process. Okay, but it is the given problem which is belongs to algebraic problem, algebra. But algebra is nothing but, you know that one of the either expansion or like a splitting or like a so cancellation. It is one of the process for the algebraic process. Okay, 2 is the coefficient item. In front of the integral, you can write down 1 by 2. Integral of, what about next either cancellation or expansion or go to splitting, like split into partial fractions, that is x square by x. Okay, but next go to second term, we have 3x by x right down minus same sign keep it only 1 by x of dx. Okay, after splitting, what about next again algebraic only, but we have common variables are there, get cancellation, x get cancel. Okay, fine. Then next go to we have the process. What about we can applying the individual function only, integration by applying individual function. Okay, integral of x dx right up plus 3 integral of 1 dx minus integral of 1 by x dx. But by using integration each and every term, you should not change the sign and also coefficient. Okay, next you can search what about list of the integration, but you can search the standard results one only. What about only x is there? What about formation x power n formation is there? Already you know that one formula integral of x power n is nothing but you can keep to your mind. Oh, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. In place of n is equal to 1 is there, 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. Okay, fine. Plus integral of 1 dx already know that recently we know that its result x. Okay, fine. What about third one? Just to know that what about derivative of log x derivative of log x is 1 by x. Okay, its reverse anti-derivative is nothing but integration, that is integral of 1 by x is nothing but log x. After completion, then we can write down constant of integration. What purpose? Should balance of the function. Should balance of the function. Okay, finish. Then what about next? By using algebraic process only. What about algebraic process? 1 plus 1, 2, already 2 is there. What about result number? X square by 4, 2 2s are 4, plus 3 by 2 write down. 3 by 2 x minus 1 by 2 log x plus c. What about we have the observation? But given problem is belongs to algebra. Then next what about process? By using splitting. Then what next? Cancellation by the common factor. Then what next? Integration applying the each and every term. Okay, what about signs? Should not change of the sign, and also coefficients. Then what next? We can search the list of integration. What about standard results? Okay, one of the formula is there, that its related formula is nothing but x power n. In place of n is equal to 1 is there. 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. Integral of 1 dx already you know that recently, that is x. So integral of 1 by x, you know that, don't know that formula. What about derivative of log x? You can search according to differentiation. Derivative of log x is 1 by x, but integral of 1 by x is nothing but log x. So it is one of the process. So always remember, the given problem is either belongs to algebra or trigonometry. In algebra is there. What about process? Either expansion or splitting or cancellation. Then what about you can search what about standard integration, then substitute their related formula. Finally we'll get the result. So it is process of the to find in the given problem. Okay, one more problem we can observe it. Integral of 1 minus root x by x okay is also belongs to algebra. What about process? I have already told that in algebra belongs to algebra either expanding or splitting or cancellation. Okay, but it is one of the process like a split into partial fractions. Split into partial fractions. What about first term is nothing but integral of 1 by x right. What about same sign? Keep it here minus minus. Okay, fine. Integral of square root of x by x. X by x. What about first term? Already you know that integral of 1 by x result log x. What about second term? Second term we can simplify that. What about simplification? It's a process x power 1 by 2 into x power minus 1 x power 1 by 2 into x power minus 1. What about again belongs to algebraic process only. By using simplification, x power 1 by 2 minus 1 is nothing but minus 1 by 2 dx. Now we can search what about standard formation. One of the standard formation x power n. X power n. Integral of x power n already you know very well. Integral of 1 by x also recently, but how already know that. What about result? It's result log x. Okay, fine. Minus x power n. In place of n is equal to we have minus 1 by 2. That is x power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. After completion compulsory put in constant of integration amma. What about you have the result amma denominator? So log x. After integration again enter the algebraic process, go to calculation. By simplification, what about its total result is nothing but x power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus c. What about its result? It is a fraction is there. So log x minus 2 root x plus c. Okay. But always remember root x by x is nothing but 1 by square root of x. See, one of the formula will prepare. What about result It is one of the formula we can treat as square root of x by x is nothing but 1 by root x dx. What about its result is nothing but 2 square root of x is one of the formula we can treat as integral of 1 by root x dx is nothing but 2 square root of x. What about we have the observation of these two problems? So two problems having first of all splitting, then next go to common cancellation by the common factors, then applying the integration each and every term. Then we can search the what about standard formation, then substitute its corresponding formula. Finally, we have the result. So it is one of the process of the finding to problems for integration. Okay. Next go to discuss one more type of the problem. So one of the problem is nothing but like a 11th one, integral of e power log of 1 plus tan square x to the base e, or should not mention that base e. Okay. What about previous problems? So they are belongs to algebraic process. But given problem both are, one is exponential and simultaneously logarithmic function. According to properties of logarithms, one of the formula a power f of x to the base a is f of x according to properties of logarithms. Okay. One more e power log f of x given that. Should not mention that base e, but we can write down is also we have the base e only. What about we have the result is nothing but f of x. Okay, fine. But given problem we have e power log of 1 plus tan square x is nothing but according to again trigonometry, enter the standard identity, that is secant square x to the base e dx, right? Now we can search what about properties of logarithm. So in place of f of x is secant square x, secant square x. Okay. Now we can enter the standard integrations. What about standard integration? Integral of secant square, very well, that is tan x plus c. What about you have the observation of given problem? One of the concept is nothing but logarithm. Then second, one more concept is nothing but trigonometry. Then third thing we can search what about its related standard integration. Then substitute there its corresponding formula. We will get the result of the given problem. Result of the given problem. It is one of the type. Okay, next we will discuss one more type of the problem. So both the problems, what about you have the observation? Every problem is depends on standard results only. Without formulas, without standard results, they have no mathematics. Okay. So one of the result You know that second bit, first one, integral of 1 minus x square whole cube. So previous, okay, already you know that one of the splitting cancellation by the common factor, then applying the integration. Next one of the problem already you know that logarithm and also trigonometry, then finally we have the result. But given problem can search is also algebraic process. Algebra belongs to polynomial. It is one of the polynomial. Okay, what about process? The given problem belongs to algebra. Already have told that whatever process, either expansion or splitting or cancellation by the common factor. Okay, a minus b whole cube formation by using by expansion by the result a minus b whole cube. Already you know very well. What about a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So you know very well, expansion of a minus b whole cube. One of the result a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. What about next step? Is also we can applying the integration in each and every term. Then we will prepare integral of 1 cube is nothing but 1 dx. Okay, fine. Same sign keep it here only. What about 3 is the coefficient in front of the integration, right? Okay, integral of x square dx. What about next term 3 coefficient? Integral of x square whole square result is x power 4 is x power 4 minus same sign, just keep it only. X square whole cube is nothing but x power 6 dx. Okay, fine. Then now we can enter the list of integration standard formula. You know very well, integral of 1 dx x. Okay, fine. Minus 3. What about second term x square? X power n formula. Just keep your mind only. X power 2 plus 1 direct you can write down. Few more steps you can do orally. 2 plus 1. What about its result? 3. By 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, fine, 3. What about third term? Also same formula, x power n. In place of n is equal to, we have 4 is there. 4 plus 1, what about result of 5? Keep it 5 right down. By denominator also 5 minus same sign. In place of n is equal to 6. Okay, what about formula? Again just recall in mind. X power n plus 1 is there. X power 6 plus 1 result of 7 by 7 plus c. Enough. Okay, what about next step? If any cancellation are there, not. But 3 is a common factor, cancel. After cancellation, what about step? Then we can extend one more step right up. X minus x cube plus 3 by 5 x power 5 minus x power 7 by 7 plus c. What about we have the observation? Oh, given problem is algebraic problem. Oh, what about process? By using expansion. Then what about next? By using integration each and every term. Then what about you can search the standard integration, then substitute their related formula. Finally, we will get the result of the problem. Okay, it is one of the type of problem. Okay, what about next? We will discuss one more. What about problem is nothing but, so third one, like integral of square root of x plus 1 by x whole square. What about, you can observe the previous and present problem. Previous and present is also belongs to algebra. So already I have told that what about algebra is nothing but so only same expansion or splitting into partial fractions or cancellation. It is one of the process. Okay, what about expansion by the numerator? We have two terms are there. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square you know very well, that is a square plus b square plus 2 root x, right? Okay. What about denominator? X power 2, right now? X power 2. We can apply each and every step in the denominator. That is nothing but split into partial fractions. Split into partial fractions. Okay, fine. What about next? If any cancellation or go to simplification by each and every term. What about result of square or root get cancelled? Okay, we have x by x square. What about next? Second term is integral of 1 by x square. Okay, fine. What about next one? 2 into integral of square root of x by x square. Okay, we can applying the integration each and every term. Okay, fine. What about one more step? We can simplify that. What about one of the common factor get cancelled? We'll get the result is 1 by x. Okay, fine. What about second term? We'll prepare x power minus 2, right now. Why? Because already it's a related formula is there. X power n. Okay, fine. What about next term? X power 1 by 2 into x power minus 2, right now. X power minus 2. Okay. First two terms just keep it only. Okay. 1 by x dx plus integral of x power minus 2 dx. Only you can simplify the third term only. So that third term is x power minus 3 by 2. Okay. Now we can search what about its related standard integrations. First term result you know very well, log x. Second term we have the formation x power n formation is there. You know very well, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. In place of n is equal to result to minus 2. Okay. Third term also same formation is there. That is x power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by minus 3 by 2 plus 1. After completion what? Put in constant of integration. Okay, it is enough. Then what next? By simplification. What about result? Log x. Okay. Its total result is minus 1 minus x power minus 1. Okay. What about denominator result after LCM? Minus 1 by 2 plus 2 into x power minus 1 by 2 by minus 1 by 2 plus c. We can extend one more step only. One more step. What about you have the result is nothing but log x. Okay, fine. Minus 1 by x. Okay. Plus, so here only minus is there. Finally, we have the sign is minus. Minus. It is a fraction is there. What about result? 2 to the 4. Okay. X power minus 1 by 2 can be written as 1 by root x. So, is the result. It is enough. In case depends on their given options, we can extend up to required result. Up to required result. It is one of the type of problem. Okay. Next to go to, we can observe that. Next model, one of the problem is there. So that problem is, so seventh one, integral of secant square x minus cos x plus x square. Okay, but next, but you have three terms are there. three terms, first two terms are belongs to trigonometry and third term is algebraic. But you know very well, search first of all given problem is having any standard formation or not. Okay, already standard forms already is there. What about integral of secant square? You know very well. Integral of cos also. Then third term x square also we have the standard forms. Enough, no need of trigonometry or algebra. Should not enter the trigonometry or algebra. Just you can search whatever it's related standard integrations. Integral of secant square x tan x, just you can write down tan minus integral of cos, you know very well standard result sin x is there, but third term x power n formation is there. What about formula? X power n plus 1, that is 2 plus 1 is 3 by 3. Then after completion, then what about put constant of integration. What about you have the observation of the previous and present? Previous problems they are belongs to algebra, expansion, then splitting. But next given problem is nothing but seventh one. Just you can applying integration each and every term. Final you can search what about already is there standard formation. No need of thinking. Just you can put in the corresponding formulas. It is one of the type of question. Okay. But next what about you have the observation? Every problem is depends on standard results or it's related to concept only. Okay. Next go to one of the problem. Go to 13th one. Integral of a power x minus b power x whole square by a power x b power x. Okay. What about given problem is nothing but it is one of the exponential terms are there. A power x, b power x are nothing but they are the exponential term. Okay, and one more numerator, it is in the form of a minus b whole square formation. What about you have the process? What about process? You can think about, should not get idea, don't worry, you can think about what about either right or wrong, final will get the result. What about process? It is expansion. Yes. We can applying the expansion, that's all enough. Okay. What about expansion? You know very well, a minus b whole square. Just keep it already know very well. A square plus b square, okay, minus 2ab. Fine. What about next? Now split into partial fractions. Split into partial fractions. Okay, fine. What about next? What about your idea? What about your thinking nature is? After split into partial fractions, next what about if any common factor is there or not? We can check if any common factor. Okay, one of the common factor is there. Yes, what next? Cancellation. Second term b power x. Third term both a power x and b power x. Okay, fine. After cancellation, we will get the result a power x by b power x. A power x, you know that. What about denominator? B power x is there. What about again formula? They have no formula. Its related formula is only integral of a power x only. Integral of a power x. Okay, a power x is nothing but a power x by log of a. But numerator and denominator both are exponential function is there. But 1 by a power x, they have no formula. What about process? Again think about. What about its process? A power x, b power x will prepare a single term. The term is nothing but a by b whole power x. Okay, fine. What about second term? Is also same formation. Is also same formation. What about third term? We'll get the only numerical value. That's all enough. Okay, fine. But first term we have the formation is there. In place of a power x is nothing but a by b is there. You can write down a by b whole power x. By denominator, in place of a is equal to log of a by b to the base c. That's all enough. Okay, fine. What about second term? Also same formation is there. Not as it is, same formation. In place of a is b by a right now. Power x. Okay, denominator same b by a to the base e. Okay, fine. Minus 2. Integral of 1 dx x. Then next you can write down c right now. Okay. We know according to again search, what about properties of logarithms? You know very well. Log of a by b is nothing but log of a minus log of b. That is a by b whole power x by denominator log of a minus log of b. Okay, fine. What about second term? b by a whole power x by log of b minus log of a minus 2x plus c. Okay, first two terms in the denominator will prepare a common factor. What about common factor? One of the common factor is nothing but log of a minus log of b right now. What about second term in the denominator? Log of b minus log of a is there. Minus will take common. Now we have a common factor in the denominator, that is log of a minus log of b. What about numerator? A by b whole power x minus b by a whole power x minus 2x plus c is the result of a given problem. Is the result of a given problem. First you can observe what about process. Given terms are exponential. Okay, fine. And having algebraic process formation a minus b whole square formation. What about you can applying the expansion? Then what next to splitting? Then what next to cancellation by the common factor? Then what next to will prepare a single term. We will prepare a single term. After reduce the single term, what about formation? A power x, integral of a power x. Then substitute their corresponding formula. Then we will get the result of the given problem. Result of the given problem. It is one of the process. Okay na? Next you can observe it one more type of the question. What about next question you can observe it? So one of the 14th one. Integral of secant to square x cosecant to square x dx. Okay. Secant square, cosecant square. Okay, search. Both the terms are belongs to trigonometry. Okay, fine. But always remember, but you can develop the concept, you will develop the process. Every problem, what about its related formula is there or not? Is there or not? Okay, first given problem, what about its suitable formula? You can search. Okay, what about integral of secant square? Only single term, you know that formula. Okay, fine. What about next one more? Integral of cosecant square. Okay, fine. But here only product of two terms is there. What about product of two terms? They have no formula in the standard integration. Okay, leave it. Standard integration is leave it. What about process? Again think about. The given problem belongs to trigonometry. Again enter its mother topic. What about its mother topic is trigonometry. What about process? Secant square can be written as 1 by cos square. Cosecant square can be written as 1 by sin square. That is 1 by sin square into cos square x dx. Okay, fine. What about next? again search, they have no standard integration, leave it. Again search, what about its same topic only, mother topic. What about already you know the trigonometric ratio, standard identity in sin and cos. In place of 1 is equal to, we'll prepare, we can write down sin square x plus cos square x. Okay, fine. What next? Now splitting, split into partial fractions. Okay, fine. Next, same, x sin square cos square. What about next step? Each and every step will get idea. What about? Okay, now we have the common ratios. After cancellation, what about term is there? Ratio 1 by cos square can be written as secant square. What about second term, cosecant square? Now we have the standard integration. Then substitute their related formulas. What about we have the observation? Okay, individual terms already standard formula, but we have product of two ratios, they have no formula. What about process? What about its related mother topic? Its related mother topic is trigonometry, and also subtopics also is there. One of the subtopic is trigonometric ratios. In place of 1 is equal to standard identity, then split into fractions, then cancellation. Now we'll get the formation, then substitute their related formula. Okay, na? We'll get the result of given problem. Next, one more thing, we can observe at problem question number 1 plus cos square x by 1 minus cos 2x. What about you have the observation of previous problems and present problem? But in calculus point of view, either involving algebra or trigonometry, few more problems involving trigonometry and also algebra. Okay, previous trigonometry, present also trigonometry. 1 minus cos square by 1 minus cos 2x, any formula is there? They have no formula in the standard integration. What about, we'll prepare the formation. We can reduce the formation by using trigonometrical formulas, basics. Okay. What about its basic concept is, one of the basic concept according to multiple and submultiple concept. In trigonometry, subtopic is multiple and submultiple. 1 plus cos 2a is 2 cos square a plus cos 2a, it's half of the angle. 1 minus cos 2a is 2 sin square a. Just you can remember, minus sin plus cos 2a, half of the angle. Okay, it is one of the formula. But what about process? 1 plus cos square x, just keep it in numerator. Only you can applying the formula in the denominator only. So that formula is 2 sin square 2x, it's half is nothing but x, right? Okay, fine. Okay, what next? Then again split into fractions like 1 by 2 in front of the integration. Okay, fine. Integral of 1 by sin square x. Okay, next cos square x by sin square x. Okay, fine. What about next? Again having trigonometry ratio only. 1 by sin square, you know very well, one of the result is cosecant square. The next second term, cos square by sin square is cot square. Okay, fine. What about secant? Cosecant square already is there, but cot square you can search again. But what about process? They have no formula. Again enter the revert back. It's related topic is nothing but trigonometry. What about its standard identity in cosecant and cot is nothing but formula cosecant square x minus 1. Cot square is nothing but cosecant square minus 1. Now we have the formula is there. Okay, fine. Cosecant square plus cosecant square 2 write down. 1 by 2 into 2 cosecant square x. Okay, fine. Minus same sign write down. 1 by 2 into 1 is nothing but 1 by 2 integral of 1 dx write down. Okay, 2 get cancel. What about integral of cosecant square? One of the standard integration minus cot minus 1 by 2. Integral of 1 dx x plus c. Okay, na? So it is the result. What about previous? One of the formula belongs to trigonometrical ratio. What about next problem is also trigonometry. Then subtopic is nothing but multiply and submultiple. Finally, what about result of process? Every problem is nothing but finally we'll prepare the standard integration. We can apply different topics, different subtopics, different methods. Finally, what about we'll prepare the formation is very, very important. Then substitute there its related formula. Then we'll get the result. So it is one of the type of question. Next one you can observe it. What about process? So one of the question is nothing but integral of 1 by cos hx plus sin hx. But next to same problem, numerator is there, we have standard formulas. But denominator is there, we can search. If any integration, standard integration, they have no standard integration. What about process? Oh, its mother topic is nothing but hyperbolic function. Its mother topic is nothing but in same trigonometry, and also one of the chapter name like a hyperbolic function. In search, in place of 1 is equal to what about standard identity in hyperbola? Its formula is cos h square x minus sin h square x. Oh, it is one of the formula. Fine. Denominator just keep it here only. Okay, fine. What about next one? Now we can applying the split into fractions, split into factors like a. What about algebraic process? A square minus b square is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. A minus b. What about denominator? Same as it is, you can write down. Just keep it early. Cos hx plus sin hx. Okay, fine. So get cancel. What about after cancellation? We have the terms cos hx minus sin hx. Okay, just you have got to minimize the steps. Should not write individually each and every term. Why? Because just you can observe it. Integral of first term, integral of cos hx. Just keep it only sin hx. Same sign right, minus integral of second term. Integral of second term is cos hx. Then plus c right down. It is one of the problem. Belongs to hyperbola. It is belongs to hyperbola. Last one more model is there. One more problem. See, you can observe it. Okay. So it's question number like one of the 18th. 1 by 1 plus cos x. Okay. But next you can observe that these problems are belongs to trigonometry only. In trigonometry also you have got different subtopics are there. One of the problem belongs to trigonometry ratio. One more problem already you know that belongs to multiply and submultiple. And the previous problem hyperbola. What about next given problem is integral of 1 plus cos, they have no formula. What about again? We'll prepare the formation. We can reduce. Okay. What about process? You can search. What about by using trigonometric compound or multiple or anything? One of the process. It's rationalization. Simply you can remember it's rationalization like a 1 minus cos, multiplying and dividing with 1 minus cos, right? In case 1 by 1 plus sin given, that same process, multiplying and dividing with 1 minus sin only. Are you clear? Okay, in case you have got out 1 by 1 minus cos given, that it's rationalization, multiplying and dividing with 1 plus cos by 1 plus cos. Okay, na? Okay, numerator just to have got keep it here only, 1 minus cos. What about denominator? A plus b into a minus b, that is 1 minus cos square. Next what? 1 minus cos square in a standard identity sin square. Now splitting 1 by sin square minus cos by sin into 1 by sin, right now. Okay, fine. What about next term? Integral of 1 by its result cosecant square minus 1 by sin is cosecant x, cos by sin is cot x. Already we have the standard integrations. Integral of cosecant square x is minus cot. Integral of minus cosecant cot is minus of minus plus cosecant plus c is the result. What about we have the observation of these problems? Few more problems are belongs to algebra, few more problems are belongs to trigonometry, or sometimes you can ask involving trigonometry and algebra. But in algebraic process is there, we can expansion or splitting or cancellation, then we'll prepare the form of the integration. Okay. In case given problem is belongs to trigonometry is there, okay, first of all, given problem having any standard formation or not, they have no standard formula. Again, prevail to back, it's mother topic. And mother topic, how many you have got subtopics are there? One of the ratio, multiple, compound, transformation, hyperbola. The given problem is belongs to which subtopic? Again enter that in subtopic, what about its related formula, then we can simplify that. Again search what about obtain the result is having formation or not. Again search, you can enter the its mother topic. Okay, we have the standard formation, then we can substitute there its related formula. Finally, we have the result of the given problem. It is the process of the standard formation. Okay na? Next we'll meet the next class nanama. Okay na? If any doubt, you can clarify that next class. Okay, right now.